All right, Anthony Styczinski, Go-to-Market Manager for Planting and Seeding Equipment. Here to talk about 2027 planting. We know that those windows continue to get tighter. It's harder to get in the field. So few things to talk about that are coming with 2027. When you think about EasyStart, so having one run page that you can go to get your planter started from, helping you get in that field faster, especially when you link it with things like AutoPath as well as work plans. When you think of getting in the field and having that uniform emergence and that great Furrow, Furovision, which was released a few years ago, we are excited to have that coming from the factory in 2027. And with Furovision, really being able to see into the furrow, so eyes in the furrow, understanding what the row cleaners are doing, understanding what the furrow formation is doing as you adjust that downforce throughout that field. And really with Furovision, we now have the ability to do downforce automation powered by Furovision. So an ability to automatically set your downforce margin for you instead of you having to set it and kind of let it maintain that whatever it is you're setting may be. So really how that's working, it's looking at those different row dynamics that are going on, making decisions on what that downforce should be, and then using Furovision to verify that all of those changes are the right changes. When we think about that furrow creation, another thing that comes to my mind is depth. Exact depth for 2027 will allow you to adjust that seed depth on the fly. So ability from the cab to run those opener discs lower if you need to have that seed go in the ground more, or raise it up if those conditions change where you need to do that. Have the ability to run a prescription with exact depth as well. So if you're doing some soil mapping, know that part of the field is clay, part of the field is sand, you need to adjust throughout the field. You can set that into a file and have the planter do it for you. When you think about that furrow, I think about nutrients and putting nutrients down at time of planting. So in the past, we made you choose between, do you want to put nutrients in the furrow or do you want to put nutrients high rate off to the side? Now you don't have to make that choice. You don't have to go to a third party to make that happen. We will allow you to run exact shot in the furrow. So our seed dosing technology that allows you to save up to 66% of that in-furrow application, along with high rate, exact rate. So being able to put 10 plus gallons down beside the furrow, up to 10 gallons in the furrow, really ensuring that plant gets off to a great start. To learn more about these new features, please visit us at Deere.com.